Afternoon once again. I'm here, still here at the Al Shamal. So this time I'm going to the beach, one of the beaches in here. So be with me, don't go away. Together we will explore and wander again here in Al Shamal. Be with me. Walk and walk and walk. Walkathon again. Nakamedyas ako ngayon kasi dati nakasandal. Ay, Diyos ko, naluthan si Oka. Sakit kaayo ang akong tiil. So, this time, nagmedyas na ako. Para hindi masyadong masakit sa sa paa. Kasi pag nakasandal ka, masakit. Naluthan ta. We will go to the Al Shamal beach, public beach, or we will see. Kung hindi tayo ngayon, cancel na naman yung natin. Pero meron yan, just believe. Makakarating tayo doon at makavisit tayo sa beach na yan. Al Ruiz Health Center. That's it, the Al Ruiz Health Center. At pa more! Walkathon halos every day. Kasi wala pang work. Pag mag-umpisa na ang work, ay wala ng gala, wala ng walkathon. Kaya, inano ko talaga yung time ko. Tapos wala pang work. Tapos naghahanap pa ng work. So, it's an opportunity for us to explore and wander here at Shamal. Kasi wala pang work. Kaya let's go mga day, mga best. Ito yung Al Shamal Health Center or Al Ruiz Health Center nila dito. Ang layo pang lalakarin ko mga day. It's quite a long walk going to the Al Shamal beach. OMG. Because I don't have car, I don't have any mode of transportation, but only my feet. Only walking. Walkathon si Oka. It's okay. Laki naman ng Karama. Yes. Doon, deserto. Lakad pa more. Pinapawisan ako. I am sweating a lot. It's a long walk going to the beach. We will see if it's worth it. The long walk going to the beach, the Al Shamal beach. We will see later on. So don't go away. Okay? Huwag kayong mawawala. Be with me. Walang iwanan. Okay? Diyos ko. Ang layo pa. O diba? From there, from the main road. And I walk going in here. But still, like 2 roundabouts I have to take, and then going to the Shamal beach. Hinihingal na ako. Catching my breath. Catch my breath. Woo. Let's go. I can make it. Woo. What a walkathon. What a long walk. Like, I walk from my place already 25 minutes. Just go. What to do? Ginusto ko to. Diba? Kaya go lang ng go. Here's the view. Ito. First runabout. Tapos, isa pang runabout. Saka, mga 10 minutes. Ayun na. Yung Shamal Beach. Oof. Diba sabi nila, just enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey to your destination. It is not the destination, but it is. Oh, katakot. Once again, it is not the destination. It is the journey that matters. Diba? Ito yun eh. Oh, Diyos ko. Laban lang. Laban. Aja. Aja. Kaya ko to. We can make it. I can make it. Whew. Aywa. Para akong baliw dito sa ano, sa daan. Nagsasalita na mag-isa. O di ba? Aaliwin natin yung sarili natin while naglalakad. Ganun lang yung ano natin, yung discarte para hindi natin maano yung pagod. Hindi natin masyadong maramdaman. We cannot feel the pagod, diba? Pero na-feel ko talaga. Ay, naaliw ko lang yung sarili ko while walking in here. Oof. I can make it. Isang runabout pa. Ang layo pa. Oh, Diyos ko. And after runabout, mga 10 minutes pa saka tayo makarating sa Al Shamal Beach. Why not? And the time now is 3:45. So we still have a lot of time to witness the golden sunset or the sun setting right there. Inshallah. O diba? We will see if it's worth it. Palagi ko worth it naman siguro yung pagod ko sa paglalakad ko na Diyos ko, it's almost 30 minutes na yung lakad ko. But it's okay. Why not? Ganon talaga, diba? Kung gusto mo, anin mo talaga. Gagawin mo talaga. Oh, gagawin natin to. We can make it. Palit ulit. Sige na. Walk lang ng walk. Ayan. Dessert to. Pagbalik natin mamaya, of course, ano siya na siguro, night time. Pagbalik natin mamaya, hindi na natin mararamdaman yung pagod saka yung layo. No matter what the struggles, how far it is that we travel or the journey, how far the journey is. Pag narating na natin yung destination, pagbalik natin, wala na yun. Hindi na natin maramdaman yung pagod kasi we've been through a lot while our journey continues, diba? Ganun lang. Laban lang, like life itself. That we've been through a lot of things in our journey in this cold life. So, ganun lang talaga. There's a lot of birds in here. Oh, this one is a bird's house. There's a lot of birds inside. I can see. Oh, you hear that? Wow. Al Shamal Primary School for Boys. Okay. And that side is for girls, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Because it's showing here at the Google map. So let's go. So andito na tayo ngayon sa likod ng Shamal Primary Boys School. Shamal Boys Primary School. Ayan, dyan banda, deserted. It's a field. Okay. Hey, I'm here at the back, but we will see. We can make it. We'll find a way. Al Shamal Primary School for Boys. This one. Continue to walk, ladies and gentlemen. It's already 35 minutes of walking from my place, really. But still, kaya natin to. We can make this. We can make it. Desert grass. This one is the desert grass. mga best, mga day. Grabing walkathon. Award-winning, ano na gini siya? Pang award-winning, ano na gini siya? Walkathon. Pang Guinness World Record na gini siyang walkathon. Going to Al Shamal Public Beach. We'll stop at that side. You see, this is the power of walking. If you don't have any kind of mode of transportation, just your feet. Like, yeah, just walking. Back to the old times. Walking is the key to your destination. O, diba? Kung wala kang mode of transportation, yung mga paa mo lang gagamitin mo, mga jay, mga best. And yes, I do believe we can make it. I can make it. Oh, ang daming sasakyan dun lumadaan. Nakakatakot. Now, this is the second runabout, the big runabout in here. And then I'm going here at the right side. Going now to the Al Shamal Beach. Like 10 minutes to go of walking. Grabe na to. Grabe na talaga to. Pang award to. Pang Grammys award na to. Pang Guinness Book Records itong ano ko ginagawang walkathon dito. Papuntang ano Al Shamal Beach. So now I'm exiting now from the second big runabout going to the Al Shamal Beach. 10 minutes to go and then we will reach that beach. Oh, diba? So excited na. I can feel the air now. It's so windy now. So this wind is from the ocean. I can smell it now, the sea breeze. Oh, diba? Paasa pa more. Ganun lang. Encouragement. Self-encouragement. Aywa. Now going straight, tapos there will be another big runabout, and after that one, it's public Shamal Beach na kaagad. So excited. I'm quite near now. Very cute house. Yeah. Nice house. Oh, nice house again. And I can see from here the runabout. This one is the last runabout, and then going to the left side straight. Then we can see the park and the Al Shamal Public Beach. Wow. I started walking from my place like 3:10 p.m. and now the time is 4:15 p.m. so it's already 1 hour, and I think it takes like 10 minutes also of walking from now, so like almost, okay, we will see, 1 hour and 25 to 30 minutes from my place. Let's see. What a long journey. What a long journey of walking. Just walkathon. No any mode of transportation. So yeah, it's okay. See, I'm here now. I'm quite near to the public beach. Here's the runabout. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here's the last runabout going to Al Shamal Public Beach and that park. And then going to the left, and then we can see the park. And then at the park, I see now, it's already a beach. See, OMG. So this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the public Shamal Beach and this what you call this park. Ladies and gentlemen, see, I just arrived here at the Shamal Public Beach and Park. Well, let me tour you now. I think the park, there's a lot of families and ladies, so we will keep distance. We will not go there, so we'll just go in this side. this public beach. Wow. Oh, so nice. Look at this. Actually, I'm here at the Al Shamal Public Beach. Here once again at the Al Shamal Public Beach. Wow. Look at that. So nice. Al Shamal Public Beach. There's also a park. So let's get inside and let's take a look at the park. They said it's okay to go inside, no problem. So let's go. So let's go now to the park. I'll go. Nice. Ooh. Park right here at Shamal Beach. Here. Here in public Shamal Beach, right? Nice. Nice. There's also a kids playground. Today is Friday, so that's why most of here is family. Yes. Wow. See the sunset. The sunset. Wow. Nice. It's an old park. Yeah, you can see it's an old park because of, see, you know, like that. It's showing the walls like that. Going to toilet, mix it. Wow, very, very nice. There's also some garden in here. Wow, see? Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow. It's worth it. Like 1 hour and 25 or almost 1 hour and 30 minutes going in here from my place, going to this Al Shamal Public Beach and this park, Al Jadou, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this park in here at Al Shamal Public Beach. Yes, it's worth it. Yeah, nice. Today is Friday and there's a lot of families right there, so I will keep a distance from them. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. It's worth it going in here at Al Shamal Beach and in this garden, in this park, I mean. So let's continue to tour around. See. Whoa. Really, really. Hello, good afternoon. Here's a toilet for men. Going in here. Going out to the toilet, from the toilet. Also free water in here. Aywa. I'm very thirsty. So, continue. Ministry of Municipality of Environment, Al Shamal Municipality. Welcome to Abu Daluf Park. Aywa, Abu Daluf Park pala to. Welcome to Abu Daluf Park, right here at the public Shamal Beach. So let's get inside, because that was before I went to the other side at the back, which the public Al Shamal Beach is located. So here's the main entrance of Abu Daluf Park. So let's get inside again. Here. From 8 AM to 11 PM, this park. See a lot of birds also. Garden, the flowers. There's a lot of birds in there. So I have to tour you around in this Abu Daluf Park first, and then I'm going to the beach. There's a lot of birds. Oh my goodness. And also here. Wow. Wow. That side is going to the beach. Oh, wow. What a beautiful Abu Daluf Park in here. Right here at the public Shamal Public Beach. Oof. Nice. Beautiful. It's worth it. Beautiful. So we'll go to this area. Wow. OMG. Okay, from the park, from the Abu Daluf Park right here at the, going here at the Al Shamal Public Beach. Beautiful. Ooh. Look at the sunset. Yes, right here at the Al Shamal Public Beach and the Abu Daluf Park. Wow, nice sunset right there. Nice sunset. The big red-orange sun. Al Shamal Public Beach. Nice. And the sunset. It's right there. Wow. And the park, the Abu Daluf Park. Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my video right here at the Al Shamal Public Beach, and of course the Abu Daluf Park. Wow, what a 1 hour and almost 30 minutes hour of walking from my place. So it's worth it. So if you are here at Al Ruiz or Al Shamal, you can visit this public Al Shamal Beach. It's a quite good place. Wow, nice. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time around. Bye bye for now. Momo. Thank you so much. Now I'm just making my own moment, and after that I will go back. It's okay. Wow, it's all worth it. It's all worth it. Thank you so much. Okay, once again, I would like to end this video again because there's not a lot of people in the background, in my background. So right there at the Abu Daluf Park and Public Shamal Beach. So from my place, it's 1 hour and almost 30 minutes of walking because I don't have any mode of transportation. So I just use my feet to walk. It's a walkathon. Pang Guinness World Record yung ginagawa ko. 1 hour and almost 30 minutes walking, going here at the Al Shamal Public Beach and the Abu Daluf Park. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my video again. It's worth it. I don't care how long it is, how the journey was. I enjoyed it, and yes, I did it. I visited this public Shamal Beach. So next time it's easy for me because I already know which way to go, and yes, it's quite good. But for now, today is Friday, so there's a lot of families out there. So I don't make a lot of videos or pictures because we have to keep distance from them. It's haram, you know. Let's give them a privacy. So that's it. So far, I enjoyed my journey going in here at the public Shamal Beach and Abu Daluf Park. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my video right here at the Shamal Public Beach and Abu Daluf Park. See you next time around on my next video. Okay, bye for now. Mama. Bye bye. Oh, beautiful clouds. What a beautiful clouds right there. Nice. This is a bonus video or an extra video. So we're going this side. Because there's a way going also to the beach. So we'll go there and check before it's getting dark. So this is a bonus video. So come on, we will check this place because I see this way going also to the beach, to the other side. So we will check it out before it's getting dark. Let's go. Run, run, run. Run, Glenn, run. Because it's getting dark. Okay. So this area is for... What is this? It's an open area, this side. It's not good for swimming in here. It's quite, this one, it's quite deep in here, in this side. Going to that place, going to that side. It's good for boating on that side. Beautiful. It's so peaceful. Look at the beauty of Al Shamal Public Beach. Beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye for now. Mumma.